Cryptocurrency is changing the world we live in every single day. Crypto is gaining adoption across hundreds of industries, and more industries will start accepting and making payments with crypto. More and more people are using cryptocurrency to conduct transactions, with mass adoption growing at a rapid pace. If you're watching this video, that means that you are interested in investing in cryptocurrency, but you aren't sure if you should do so or not. You've probably been seeing on the news that Bitcoin is up thousands of dollars one day, then the next day it drops a few $1,000s. Yes, crypto is volatile, but I still believe it's worth investing in for the long term. You are probably on the fence about investing in cryptocurrency, and rightfully so. So what I'm going to do in this video is share with you 10 reasons why you should invest in cryptocurrency. But before I begin, I want to tell you about the new book I just released called Cryptocurrency for Newbies. This is the complete guide for cryptocurrency beginners to help you find the best places to buy crypto, how to avoid scams, how to build your mindset so you can be a successful crypto investor, how to secure your crypto from cyber criminals, and more. You can grab it for just 99 cents on Amazon Kindle for a limited time. So don't delay. Get your copy today. The link is in the description. With that being said, allow me to show you 10 reasons why you should invest in cryptocurrency. Believe it or not, cryptocurrency is easy to buy and sell. Crypto exchanges such as Coinbase make the buying and selling process extremely simple that even the most non-technical person can do it. You don't need to have technical skills or a college degree. As long as you know how to use your smartphone, you can purchase your first crypto coin in a matter of seconds. If you're already investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, precious metals, etc., cryptocurrency is a very good asset to add to your investment portfolio. You should never put all of your eggs in one basket. By diversifying with crypto, you can have the safety net just in case one or more of your investments go down in value. Believe it or not, cryptocurrency is a major driver in the biggest wealth transfer in human history. People have made tremendous profits by investing in cryptocurrency. For example, Bitcoin has seen the largest increase throughout the years. In November 2016, Bitcoin was trading at around $700 a coin. In November 2021, Bitcoin reached a high of $65,000 a coin. That's an increase of over 9,000%. Plenty of millionaires and billionaires were born out of the rise of Bitcoin, and there should be no reason why you can't take part in it. There aren't many assets that can give you an insane ROI like cryptocurrency. Sure, stocks and real estate can, but you'll have to wait quite a while before you see any sort of gains. The ROI in cryptocurrency is large if you have the patience to hold on and not panic sell when the market tanks. When conducting cryptocurrency transactions, you transact with a crypto wallet address that contains a sequence of random numbers and letters. Your wallet address does not contain any specific or personal information about you, such as your social security number, government name, home address, phone number, etc. You can conduct transactions in complete privacy without prying eyes knowing everything about you. The crypto market is open 24/7, 365 days a year, unlike the stock market, which is only open Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., and closed on the weekends and holidays. If you want to buy crypto in the middle of the night, on the weekends, or a holiday, you can do so without any issues at all. Crypto is not affected by inflation or other economic trends. The reason for this is that crypto has a limited supply of the number of coins in circulation. So when more money chases the limited supply of coins, it will eventually push up the price of coins because the total supply of coins is capped at a certain amount, which will keep crypto scarce. One of the best reasons why you should invest in cryptocurrency is because there is no middleman, bank, government agency, or any type of third-party entity meddling in your crypto transactions. People can conduct peer-to-peer transactions without the government looking into their business, and people don't have to worry about their transactions being halted by the bank if they're doing something the bank doesn't approve of. You don't need thousands or hundreds of dollars to start investing in cryptocurrency. You can start investing with as little as $5 in most exchanges and buy hundreds of cheap crypto coins or fractional pieces of large coins like Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency investing puts the power in your hands and allows the average Joe to be a part of the cryptocurrency world. Cryptocurrency is still in its early phases. The technology that surrounds cryptocurrency and the blockchain is always changing, and with you being a crypto investor, you'll be part of every single change that happens within the crypto ecosystem. Who knows where cryptocurrency will take us? But all signs are pointing to extreme profits if you buy and hold, and not sell at the first sign the market is tanking. I hope I gave you enough reasons why you should consider investing in cryptocurrency. You should add crypto to your portfolio along with other assets to build wealth. If you're afraid to take a chance on crypto, don't be. Cryptocurrency is changing lives and changing how the world works, and you should be a part of that. Thank you for tuning into the Red Pill Economy, where we help you stay aware and get prepared. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Take care.